Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can use the multi-sections surface command in CATIA. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, then shape, then you click on the Generative Shape Design workbench, then you click on OK. Next, you click on the YZ plan, then you click on sketch. I'm gonna draw a circle and the diameter of the circle will be 50 millimeter. Okay. I'm gonna exit the workbench. I'm gonna go and use the plan command to add a new plan, and the offset will be 100 millimeter. Then I'm gonna click on the new plan, then you click on sketch. I'm gonna add a new circle of 100 millimeter. I'm gonna exit the workbench. Then I'm gonna add a new plan here. I'm gonna select the new plan and add another circle, and this time the diameter of this circle will be 75 millimeter. Then I'm gonna exit the workbench. Now I'm gonna go and use the multi-sections surface command. I'm gonna select the first circle, the second circle, and the third circle. Click on preview, then OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can use the multi-sections surface in CATIA.